Have you ever stopped to think about how much value is packed in a federal career? Most people hear government job or think of paperwork or pay grades. But here's the truth. Being a federal employee is one of the most stable, benefit-rich career paths in America. And if you're not paying attention to what's available to you, you could be missing out on thousands of dollars every single year. At the Benefit Coordinators, we talk to federal and postal employees every single day. People who've dedicated careers and decades of their lives to serve the public, and almost every conversation starts the same way. I had no idea I had that benefit. So let's change that today, okay? We at the Benefit Coordinators really enjoy creating this video content for you. If you enjoy it as well, would you please consider clicking the like and the subscribe buttons? Also, clicking the chime will notify you of our new posts. We'd like to provide you, at no cost, a copy of our e-publication, the Federal Employee Benefits Handbook. This is in our 13th year that we've done this for federal employees. It's no cost to you, simply request it of the Benefit Coordinators. Or if you prefer, you can actually go to Amazon and purchase it yourself. And now, let's get back to the video now that my car has been cleaned. Let's start with job stability. When the private sector sees layoffs, restructures, or even economic downturns, federal employment stays steady. Why? Well, because government agencies provide essential services that don't stop when the market dips. That kind of security means you could plan your life, your home, your family, your future without constantly worrying if your next paycheck will be there next month. It's not just a job, it's actually peace of mind. Now let's talk about one of the biggest perks, retirement benefits. If you're under FERS, you've got a built-in pension that grows with you every year you serve. On top of that, you're contributing to the Thrift Savings Plan, or better known as TSP. It's the government version of a 401k with matching contributions up to 5%. Add Social Security on top, and you're looking at 3 layers of income waiting for you when you retire. But here's where a lot of people actually slip up. They don't understand how these pieces work together. They assume TSP is often enough, or they wait until the last few years before retirement to take it all seriously. That's where planning makes all the difference. At the Benefit Coordinators, we specialize in showing federal employees how to turn their benefits into a lifetime income that lasts longer than your career. Let's not forget about health insurance, FEHB. That's the Federal Employee Health Benefit Program. It's one of the most comprehensive healthcare systems in the country. You can keep your coverage even after you retire as long as you meet the eligibility requirements. Now that's actually huge. Most private sector workers lose their employer health coverage the day they walk out the door. Federal employees, well, they can keep theirs for life, often with the government still paying a large portion of the premium. That means predictable health care costs, better coverage, and fewer financial surprises later in life. And when you pair FEHB with supplemental protection, things like short-term disability, accident, and cancer insurance, you're not just covered, you're protected for the unexpected. Now, speaking of protection, let's talk about life insurance. The Federal Employee Group Life Insurance, or FEGLI, is a solid starting point, but it's not always the best long-term solution. especially as premiums rise with age. That's where understanding your options actually matters. Many employees we talked to had no idea that they can customize coverage or layer in private plans to reduce long care costs and still protect their families. You know, it's not about buying more insurance, it's about buying the right kind at your stage of life. Well, next up, paid time off. Federal employees earn generous annual and sick leave, and the longer you stay, the more you earn. That's time you can actually use for family, rest, or recovery. Plus, you got paid holidays, parental leave, and in some cases, an alternative work schedules. Now, that kind of flexibility gives you balance, something most people don't realize that they can have while building a long-term, stable career. Let's talk about career advancement. Now, when you work for the federal government, you're not just doing one job. You're opening doors to dozens of paths: leadership, training, skill development, and interagency transfers. Whether you want to climb the GS schedule or shift into a new department, you're part of a system designed to help you grow. Private sector jobs come and go, but a government career, that's a system built for progress. And then there's community. The federal and postal employees make up one of the most loyal, hardworking, and tight-knit groups in the workforce. You share a sense of serving your country and protecting its people. That's something that not every job you can have will give to you and you can take from. We see it every day: postal carriers braving the weather, TSA officers protecting our airports, park rangers preserving our lands, VA staff caring for veterans. Every single role matters, and every role comes with benefits designed to take care of you in return. But here's the catch. Most employees never take the time to understand all of the benefits. They enroll when they're hired, check a few boxes, and never, ever, ever look at it again. Then 15 or 20 years later, they realize they've been overpaying, underprotected, or actually missing opportunities to grow their retirement savings tax-free. It's not always your fault. The system is complex, but ignoring it can cost you definitely. That's where the benefit review comes in. Here at the Benefit Coordinators, our team of specialists help you, the federal and postal employees, understand what you have, what you're missing, and how to make the most of it that can all work together for now and for retirement. We've helped thousands upon thousands of employees reduce unnecessary costs, protect their families better, and build paths to create lifetime income. Because here's the truth. Your benefits are powerful, but only if you use them the right way. Now think about this. You have access to one of the most secure retirement systems in the country. You have guaranteed health coverage for life. You have paid time off, flexible schedules, and life insurance options that can protect your loved ones long after you're gone. But those advantages only matter if you take control and take advantage of them. But when you don't, you leave that money on the table. And when you do, you build wealth, freedom, and peace of mind. If you're watching this right now and you're a federal or postal employee, here's one simple question. When was the last time you really looked at your benefits? I'm not talking about just glancing at your TSP balance or your FEGLI coverage, but actually understood what those numbers mean to your future. If your answer is, well, it's been a while, you're not alone, but today is the perfect time to take the first step. Because retirement isn't something that happens to you, it's something you prepare for. And every benefit you have, from FEHB to FERS to TSP, is a building block in that future. The benefit coordinators is here to help you put it all together. We're not a government agency, but we're a team that specializes in helping people just like you understanding, optimize, and maximize every single dollar of your benefits. We believe you've worked too hard to leave your future up to chance. So if you're ready to feel confident about your career and retirement, start with a simple benefit review. It actually costs you nothing, but it could change everything. Because knowing your benefits isn't just smart, it's empowering. And that's what being a federal employee is really all about. Stability, opportunity, and a future you can count on.